Here's the question I got asked. Can you block a LinkedIn page? The answer is no. I'll tell you that real quickly. But I can show you some ideas that you can use that may help you, but might be aligned with the intent that you have for blocking a company page. Let me show you what I'm talking about. If I go to my company page right here, here's one of mine, Burriss Consulting. And I go to the page, I can mention my buddy, Randy Wooden. And so I can type in Randy's name. I'm not sure why the picture's not showing up, and I can put him in there. Actually, just so you know, I can backspace out the last name, just refer to him as his first name. You can't do that with a company name, but you can do that with an individual. Now, but there's another lady named Reva Adams, who's a friend of mine, and she recently blocked me on LinkedIn for the purposes of this test. Okay, Reva's blocked me. So now, if I try to mention Reva Adams, who has bright red hair and bright red lipstick in the image that she's using, she does not show up. She's not there anyway. So I cannot mention her in a LinkedIn company page post. Now that might be the reason why someone wants to block a company page, because they're getting mentioned in posts and or mentioned in comments. So you have to block the individual who's doing that activity. Now there's one more thing you could do, and that is if you find that you're being mentioned in a company page post, what you could do is you could come down here. Here's an example right here. I could just hit the three dots. No matter if this is a post by an individual or a post by a page done by an individual, you can remove the mention. And if you really want to flag it a little more deliberately, you could also report this mention and say that it is violating something that's important to you, violating LinkedIn's terms and services, et cetera, et cetera. The bottom line, you can block the individual who's making the company page post, and they won't be able to tag you in a company page post. Additionally, you could remove the mention that has happened when someone mentions your name in a company page post, and or you can remove and even further report a comment if you want to remove the mention from a comment or a reply. I'm Teddy, your LinkedIn strategist. Hope these ideas are useful for you.